In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Samsung alarm not turning off problem quickly and easily. If your Samsung Galaxy phone alarm keeps ringing, won't disable, or turns back on automatically, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps to stop the issue in minutes. Let's get started. Go to the clock app from your home screen or app drawer. On many Samsung devices, the clock app may also be located inside the Samsung folder. Once the app opens, tap the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen to view all active alarms currently set on your device. Now look for the specific alarm causing the problem. Next to each alarm, you will see a toggle switch. If the switch is blue or highlighted, the alarm is currently active. Simply tap the toggle once to turn it off. When the switch turns gray, the alarm has been successfully disabled. If the alarm continues ringing or keeps reappearing, you may need to delete it completely. To do this, press and hold the alarm from the list until additional options appear. Then tap Delete at the bottom of the screen. This permanently removes the alarm from your Samsung device. For users still experiencing issues, restarting the phone can help refresh the system and stop background glitches affecting the clock app. You can also clear the clock app cache by going to Settings, then Apps, selecting Clock, tapping Storage, and choosing Clear Cache. Keeping your Samsung software updated is also recommended, as updates often fix alarm and notification bugs automatically. That's it, your Samsung alarm problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Samsung tips and Android troubleshooting guides.